Hi, all. Good morning. If you have any
Hi, sir.
questions, you can ask me
Sir,
for the 10 minutes. For the first 10 minutes, I'll take questions.
okay. Sir, I have one question. We click the domain and we are ready to pay. On the time that showing 149, it will up to going for 569 or something. 599.
For all those things, you can call GoDaddy's customer support. They will assist you. Okay. It always differs. Okay. People in Mumbai pay up to 2,000 rupees. It depends on the city. In which city you are in, I request you to try from an incognito window. Okay. So that the price will not change.
Which one, sir?
Incognito window means if in the browser,
Okay, yeah.
you click on
Yes,
grow
yes.
more, there is an incognito window.
Okay.
Try from
Yeah.
there, so the price will always be same. It will not rise.
Yes, sir. Another one question I have: how to we check that previous that cases at all on website you told, no?
Yeah, we go to the LMF secure access page. This is the page. Okay, you have to. I sent you one WhatsApp message. Go to the first WhatsApp message.
Okay.
There is a link called course access link. Okay, when
Okay.
you
Yes,
open the course access link, you will open this.
Yes. Yes.
Here, fourth and fifth and sixth button.
Fifth and sixth. 1 minute, sir. I will try it.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. If anyone have any questions, please unmute and speak. We'll start exactly at 7:02. Good morning, all. Good morning, sir.
Sir, I didn't get that message, sir.
No, we'd have definitely not from my number. We'd have definitely sent you. For everyone we sent. If you want it again, can you go to your SMS and search course space access? We sent in SMS also.
Okay, sir. I will try it.
He definitely sent. If you paid $4.99, it will be there.
Yes, sir. Okay.
If it's not there, then you didn't pay $4.99. Maybe someone else shared this meeting link to you. Okay, during the workshop, I will be showing examples from this screen. You will not able to read this screen. Okay. If you want to open this screen, open your course success link, you will get this. Okay. I'll be telling go to the first button, go to the second button. You don't have to be confused. If it's not visible, that's okay. I'll share this link here, but again, you have to go to your core success link. If you go to this link, you can open this page. You can open this page, and everything I'll be referencing from here. I know that this is not visible. The goal is one day if you can read this, that is fine. You have to open this page on your computer. Demand pricing GoDaddy. This person must sequence to first year panel discount. Yes, that's right. Because only first year to bring the people in, they will give discount. From the second year, it's always the same price, even the higher price. That's how they make the profit. So you know what happens? Right now you see a price for 5 years. Okay, it will be 4,000 or 5,000 something. You'll see, but you will pay that in 5 years. Every year they'll keep on increasing the price. Anyway, if you are serious about doing the business, you can register for 5 years. Else you can renew it every year. That's not a problem. Just 100 or 200 rupees price increase every year. That's all right. But again, you get to keep that 4,000 rupees for you for 1 year. The important thing is we'll forget to renew it. Okay, you know what happens when we forget to renew the domain name? Someone else will take it. They'll wait for this opportunity and they will take it. So it'll be whatever the work we did, it's lost. So that's why I say at least have a credit card in GoDaddy. Nowadays the automatically charging credit card is also not possible. RBI disabled that. So all domains will go away from your account if you fail to renew on the right time. We have 3 more minutes. If you have any questions, you can. I can take it. Before 7, I'll take the questions. After that, I'll not take it. Okay. So now it's 7. I request everyone to open this page, lmfsuccess.jagankrish.com. Now you will see day 2. So keep this page open on your computer separately, or use your mobile phone to open this. Somehow I'll reference this, and you need this page. Okay, you will not able to see this screen and read this screen from here. So you need to open this page on your computer. Okay, we'll start in 1 minute. Okay, it's 7:02. I'll start now. Okay, can I start? Type yes. My voice is clear and audible. Please type yes. Okay, what is today's agenda? This is what we are going to do today. We are going to install lifetime free SSL certificate, and we are going to install LMF WordPress theme. Okay, so you know how much time it's going to take? Only 20 minutes. Only 20 minutes it's going to take to do this. Do you know why I kept today's exercise very, very easy? So that others will keep up. Okay, yesterday's exercise, it will be tough for non-technical people. So if you can't able to do the yesterday's exercise, you can complete both yesterday's and today's today. Okay, so that I purposefully kept today's exercise very, very easy. Okay, if you go to day 2, you will see 2.1, 4 minutes, how to install SSL certificate, 4 minutes. 2.2, how to log into your WordPress registration panel. Okay, this is 3 minutes. And 2.3, how to install and activate LMF theme. This is 2 minutes. Okay, this I'll do it live now. Okay, but again, it will take only 10 minutes for you. Okay, so what if you already completed? Okay, suppose after this session, 30 minutes, the session will complete. You can leave the session and do this exercise. I will take answer after 30 minutes. I'll take questions from people who are struggling with yesterday's exercise. This will happen after 30 minutes today. Okay, so today what we are going to do: install lifetime free SSL certificate and install LMF WordPress theme. Lifetime free. Okay, do you believe in this lifetime free? All free products has some strings attached, right? Some strings attached. We don't value free products. If that is free, there is some catch. What is the catch here? I'll say with all my experience, there is no catch. There is no catch in the lifetime free. If there is a catch, I will not be using it. Then how it became free? I'll tell you. Let's encrypt. This is the provider who is giving this lifetime free SSL certificate. I'm going to share this link with you here. Okay, what happens is, this is the provider. Can you see the companies here? You will see AWS here. See how it became free is, how this became free is, this company believed in 2012-13, this company, Let's Encrypt, believed that security online is basic human right. Okay, they started giving this SSL certificate for free some 7, 8 years, 10 years back. Then it became a foundation. It became a foundation. Do you know what happened? All big companies, the companies that we are using, Amazon Web Services, Amazon, Google, Oracle, Microsoft, every company out there started to sponsor this company. So who is paying this company? All the big companies. Okay, all the top companies sponsor this service so that security is basic human right. That's what this company believed in. So all the companies sponsor. Why this company sponsor? Companies need something back, right? Do you go and sponsor a company just because you believe in something? No. All the big companies sponsor this Let's Encrypt for one simple reason. Do you know what is that simple reason? You make it very easy if a customer uses our service. You make it very easy to install the SSL certificate if a customer or a client uses my service, AWS. Okay, now we are using AWS. You know what happens? It is instantly easy to install the SSL certificate, the website security. Only 2 or 3 commands. So if I say commands, don't get scared. I have all the commands in this system. Only one command. Only one command, three characters you type, it will get installed. Do you know what others? If you are using other hosting providers, If you use other hosting providers, what happens for a person like me, it takes 2 to 3 hours to install SSL certificate. The same Let's Encrypt SSL certificate for a person like me, it will take 2 to 3 hours. You decide how much time it will take if you use other hosting providers. Okay. Again, it is free. It is lifetime free, but it will take time for you to install the SSL certificate. And for every 3 months, you have to go and manually renew it. We don't have any such thing in AWS. If you use AWS, one command in 3 minutes, we can get this SSL certificate free for lifetime. And this will be free for the next 10 years, I guarantee, because this is free for the last 10 years. So it will be free for the next 10 years. So I guarantee if you use Let's Encrypt, if it's coming for free, don't think that is a below subpar quality than others. Okay. If you go to GoDaddy, they will be charging you 3,000 rupees per year for giving the same security. There is no difference between GoDaddy SSL certificate and Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. Okay, the technology is same. Only GoDaddy, if the provider is GoDaddy, that's why you are paying the price there. The same technology, we are using it. Just because we have to do it in command line, many people will not do it. So, so this is what we are going to do. We are going to do LMF lifetime free SSL certificate, and we are going to install WordPress theme. Now, one more important task we have. Everyone has the AWS account. Yesterday, one person asked about the security. Correct? Security is unless there is a financial loss, we don't care. At least I don't care. If the website data is lost, there is a backup. I'll go ahead and install it again. But if there is a financial loss, you gave the credit card. I asked you to give the credit card, and you gave the credit card. Okay. What happens tomorrow? AWS charges you $10,000 bill. They'll send you $10,000 bill. Okay. What is $10,000? 7 lakhs. You should pay. You should pay that 7 lakhs. Even though you don't understand it, you should pay that 7 lakhs. Because you know the magnitude of services that AWS have, people pay crores in crores. Okay, if you have an app, that famous app, you will pay 1 crore to AWS for every month. That type of services AWS has. Okay, so if someone hacks into your account and did something, you will get the bill. Not $10,000. You can get $100,000 also per month, and it is capable. You gave the credit card. Maybe your credit card will decline after 4 lakhs. I know. But you and I want that to happen. I asked you to give the credit card. I don't want this to happen ever in your account in your lifetime. So for that, we need to go and do something in AWS account. We need to create a budget. This is very, very important. We need to create a budget inside of AWS. You know what we are going to tell AWS? Hey, maximum I can spend only $10 per month. If it is going more than $10, you cannot charge me. You can suspend my service. This is a budgeting. We need to tell inside of AWS. We need to tell this. We have to create a budget and tell Amazon, don't charge me more than $10 per month, no matter what happens in my account. Okay, this thing we have control. Okay, but by default, when you gave the credit card and tick the check mark, you agreed that you pay whatever bill that Amazon sends you. Okay, that is the thing that you agreed yesterday. But again, today I am here to tell you to create a budget and tell Amazon, don't charge me more than $10 in my account, no matter what happens. So this is very, very important. This I am going to do it live. This one, this is very important. I didn't include a tutorial here. Okay, I didn't include a tutorial there. I am going to do it live. Okay, so you will do this budgeting. And can you start now? Type yes. I'll tell you what is an SSL certificate. Anybody already have SSL certificate? Anybody have HTTPS? How many? Anyone is paying for that? How much you are paying? Can you type it? How much you are paying per year for SSL certificate? Anyway, if you are not interested, okay. What is a SSL certificate? If you go to any website, in the beginning, you will find a lock icon. Okay, that is SSL certificate. Okay, so if you don't install SSL certificate, the data goes. I mean, the data from your computer goes to the server. It is in not secure way. Okay, it goes in a different port. So we need that security. So that is a SSL certificate. It starts from HTTPS. If you don't install SSL certificate, it starts from HTTP. It will not even appear in the Google results. Google search results, it will not even appear. So we need, if you want that Google search traffic, if you want people to come in to our website, it is basic to install the SSL certificate HTTPS. So this is the SSL certificate. This is basic now. So for each and every year, you have to renew it. You have to go and manually renew it. If you are using other hosting providers, you need to renew the SSL certificate. You have to renew the domain name. But again, if we use the AWS, it will automatically happen in our server. So this is a SSL certificate. Have this understanding. Why it became free? I explained you already. Because all these companies pay for it. All these top companies, go to letsencrypt.org, you see all the top companies. These companies sponsor this foundation, and that's why it became free. It is 100% free, no strings attached. Okay, no strings attached. Maybe you can go, if you grow big, you can go and sponsor. Even if I can go and sponsor this Let's Encrypt. Okay, if you grow so much, you can go and sponsor this Let's Encrypt so that it will always be free. Okay, there is no strings attached like Facebook. They get your data. They give the service for free and they get your data and they market it. Google, they get your data and they market it. Use the data to give ads. So there is nothing like that in Let's Encrypt. Okay, it is 100% free. So we can be safe in using it. Now, I present you with two options. There is one easiest way to install the SSL certificate. There is one free way. I told you the free way. Okay, which one you want to use? You want the easiest way or the free way? Type 1 if you want the easiest, or type 2 if you want to use the free way. If you want the easiest way, I want you to go to GoDaddy or call GoDaddy and say, I want SSL certificate. You know what? They will do it for free, but again, they will take 48 hours. 2 days they'll take, and they do it for you, but they'll charge you 3,000 rupees per year. If you go to GoDaddy, go to certificate, basic certificate, you click on it. Can you see the price here? This is the price. This is the easiest way. You can call GoDaddy right now and tell them I want a basic SSL certificate, and they will do it for you for free. Not for free. They'll charge you this one 3,499 with tax per year. Okay, you can do this. But again, you are here, so we are going to do this free way. Okay, this one. You see how much time it's going to take in AWS to install an SSL certificate. 5 years back, you know, it happens for a person like me. It takes 1 hour to install SSL certificate. Now it becomes surprisingly easy. Okay, only one command, the SSL certificate is ready. Okay, you can see that right now. So can you start now? That's all. Okay, I'm going to share my screen and do it right in front of you. Okay, let's start now. Type yes. We are going to do these three: install SSL certificate, install LMF theme, install. We are going to secure AWS account. Okay, and you know how the support works. It's okay if you are stuck. It's okay if you are stuck. You know how support works. You stuck somewhere, you take a video and send in WhatsApp, or after 7:30, you be in the call and go and do the exercises. I will be assisting other people. Okay. I'll stop sharing the screen now and see. I start sharing my screen now. Share screen. Okay. I hope everyone can able to see this. Yeah. Now go to your core success link. If you go to the core success link, you will find day 2. Okay. Day 2 will work. Day 2, you can do this exercise 1 only if you complete this day 1. 1.1 and 1.2 only if you complete, you can do day 2. Okay. I'm going to install the SSL certificate now. Okay. So first click on open Lightsail Home. If you already have a Lightsail instance, you will see this. Okay. If you are seeing something else, you have to log in. Okay. You give your username and password, you have to log in. Okay. You will see this. Okay. Here you will find something, a small square shaped icon. Okay. This is the command prompt. Okay. This is the command prompt to control the system. Once you click on this, you see something like this, Bitnami. You will find this. Okay. Here, this is a command prompt for your instance. You go to LMF Secure Access 2.1.1. Okay. Copy this command. Only one command. Okay. 2.1.1. Copy this command. Come here. Click here. Paste it. Type enter. Okay, that's all. Okay, I already have SSL certificate in my server, so I am not able to do it again. I am going to show you this video. Okay, this is there. I come back, come to day 2, copy this command. Okay, I copy the command. I come back, I paste here, press enter. Now it will ask for the domain. Okay, this is the domain that you need to what the name that you registered. Okay, put that domain name here. I registered LMF Workshop.live. Okay, I put that LMF Workshop.live. Okay, do not make any spelling mistake here. If you make any spelling mistake, you have to delete the instance. You have to come from 1.2 again. Okay, if you make any spelling mistake here, type exactly the name that you registered. Okay, LMF Workshop.live. Type enter. Type Y here. Type Y. For the first question, type Y. It will ask you the second question. Enable HTTP to HTTPS redirection. Type Y. For the second question, type Y. The third question, type N. Okay, we don't need this. Type N. The fourth question, type Y. Now you have to agree. You have to agree. Okay. You check again. one Y, two Ys, one N, and one Y. Okay. So do not make any mistake in this. If you do any mistake in this, you have to do it, delete the instance and do it again. Two Ys, one N, and one Y for these questions. Okay. Here type agree to the changes. Type Y. And it will ask you for the email ID. Use the correct email address, whatever that you created yesterday for creating the account for GoDaddy, AWS, what email address you gave, use the same email address. Type enter. You will get the information about all the certificate expiry. You will get it here. Give the email address and then agree to the license agreement. Type Y. Okay. It's going to take some time. If you choose an $3.5 instance, it will take more time. Okay. If you choose $10 instance, it will take less time. That is the reason I asked you to choose $5 instance with 1 GB RAM. Now that's all. It's installed. Can you see a small success? SUCCESS. It means it is installed. SSL certificate installed successfully. Okay. That's all. Your work is done. Now I want you to go to this. First, if you go to lmfworkshop.live, your domain name, you will start to see a lock icon here. If you go to site settings, not site settings, sorry. If you go to connection is secure, certificate is valid, click this, you will see the expiration. 16, it expires on 16th August. Okay, it is valid for 3 months. So if you see this, the SSL certificate is installed. How to double check it? Go to SSL checker tool. Here, type your domain name, LMF Workshop.live. Click on check SSL. Again, this is a Pro Tool, it will take time. Okay. See, you have to see all tick marks here. Okay. If you see all tick marks here, then this is valid. Okay. You will see the IP address is here. So your SSL certificate is installed successfully. This tool will tell you. Okay. It is propagated throughout the world. Now that's all. We installed SSL certificate successfully. Now we need to log in to WordPress administration panel. How we do it? Yesterday, some people has already done it. For that, you need to put your domain name here. Can anyone type the domain name that you registered? Because it will not work with my domain name. Please type the domain name that you registered in the chat box. Anyone. The fusionherbs.com. Okay. I'll take the fusionherbs.com. I'll put the fusionherbs.com. I click on open my login page. You will see the login ID here. Okay. You simply click this. Can you see this opened? Here the username is user. Okay. You can copy the username from here. WordPress username, this one copy from here and paste it here. And now to get the password, to get your password, you have to come back here. You have to go to the Lightsail home and you have to open the command prompt. This one. Okay. I kept a button and you have to copy this command. 2.2.4. Copy this command and paste it here. 1 minute. Okay. Usually, if you want to give a command, you have to make sure that this $sign is here. If only if this $sign is here, then this is ready to take command. Okay. Now I come here, I copy this, I come here, I paste that command, type enter. Can you see some text is pasted here? I want you to copy this password. I want you to copy this password and keep it in some place safe. Okay. Now I am going to go to my workshop. Okay. lmfworkshop.live wp login.php. Okay. Now I am going to paste that. and I click on remember me and login. Can you see that it's login properly? Now I need to install the LMF WordPress theme. Okay, 2.3. I am going to download this. Click here. You will see LMF theme 2.3. There is a download option here. Click here. It will download like LMF theme 2.3.zip. Okay. Now what I will do, go to this dashboard, go to WooCommerce, go to appearance, go to themes. Okay. Now I'll delete it. I already have it. I'll delete it and I'll do it again. You will find this. Okay. In themes. Okay. In appearance, in themes, add new. You will see upload theme. Upload theme. Choose file. Okay. Download the file that we just downloaded. Okay. LMF theme 2.3.zip. Click on open. Click on install now. Here you will find small link. Click on activate. That's all. Okay. Now you will find something like new theme activated visit site. Click on this. If you see this, today's exercise is complete. I want you to take a photo of this. The photo should clearly show your domain name, clearly show this lock icon, and clearly you need to show this. You need to see this, at least this one. Take a screenshot of this and send it in a WhatsApp group. Today's exercise is complete. Okay. So we have one more important task. Okay. For others, we have who have so much of time, do 2.4. Okay. This is 100%. This is optional step. What is this is an optional step. I want you to go to theme settings. You will find the open leads management page. Okay. I want you to download this specs file. Okay. This specs file, save it as save this specs file. Save. You can download the spec file from here also. Download spec file. Okay. Save this spec file and go back to here. Choose the spec file that we just downloaded. Click on open. Click on upload. Okay. You need to see this. If this is if you can able to see this, then you can skip this 2.4.3. Okay. I think 99% of the people don't need to do this 2.4. It is just I kept it for safety. Okay, 1% of the people are getting this problem, so that's why I kept this. Okay, now we are going to do secure. We are going to secure the GoDaddy account, GoDaddy and AWS account, and these two are separate YouTube videos. This is out of scope of this course. You have to follow this video and you need to do enable multi-factor authentication in AWS account and GoDaddy account. Okay, what is multi-factor authentication is? What is multi-factor authentication is? Whenever you log into your account, they will ask the OTP. Only if you put the OTP, it will go in. That is multi-factor authentication. Okay, this is very, very important. Wherever, not only GoDaddy, not only AWS, wherever you give your credit card, you need to have a multi-factor authentication. That is a standard. That is a standard. Okay. Okay. You need to have this multi-factor authentication enabled for GoDaddy and AWS. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you how to enable budgeting. Open AWS Home. Okay. Can you see top right corner? There's billing. Billing. Click on that billing. In the left side, there is a budget. Click on the budget. Okay. Here, you find a button called create budget. Click on cost budget. Click next. Okay. Here, everything as budget name, LMF Workshop Batch 3. You give your any name, your domain name. Okay. Click on monthly. Don't change anything. Here, enter the budgeted amount. If you have chosen $3.5 instance, enter 7. If you have chosen $5 instance, enter 10. If you chosen $10 instance, enter 20. Okay. I had chosen $5 instance, I enter 10. All. This is very, very important. All. Don't change anything. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on create budget. You need to see this. LMF Workshop Batch 3. You need to have this 10. Okay. So no matter what happens on your account, it will not exceed more than $10 in bill for every month. Okay. That's what we told AWS. No matter who has your AWS account, who gets it, they will not have access to this. Okay. This is separate. Okay. So your AWS account is safe and secure now. So I want you to do, people who have more time, I want you to do 2.5 also. Okay. This 2.5. So 7:34, we completed today's thing. Okay, 2.5.1 and 2.5.2. Do this. This is very, very important. Okay, I'll stop sharing the screen now. Okay, if you have any questions, you can type it. Okay, today's exercise, if you have, you can go ahead and do it. What is the question? SSL certificate is valid for 40 days, sir. Yes, mine is expiring for 40 days, but if you install it today, you will get 90 days validity. After 90 days, it will automatically renew it, as long as you use AWS. If you use other hosting services, you have to go and manually renew it. If you forget it, Google will see. Google will also note every single thing. They will also notice an IP address change. Google is very, very clever in detecting the technologies. That's why they are in the top companies. That what Google thinks, we don't even know. Okay, their algorithm is so powerful. Even if you miss one day, if you don't renew it for one day, they will know it. They will penalize your website. Okay, they will not show your website in the first page. Okay, this is very, very important. Only if you are very, very good for 2 complete years, your website will even get an opportunity to show it in the first page. This is the discipline that we should have in order to get in the first page. You know, first page of Google search results. Do you know? If you get in the first page of Google search results, you will get 10 lakhs per month. It depends on your service. Yeah. Please share the link again for SSL certificate. What link? Everything is here. Everything is in the core success link, core success page. All you need is this core success page. LMF access, you will find this link in the first WhatsApp message that I sent. Any more questions? If no questions, I'll end up the session and we'll meet tomorrow. Any more questions from yesterday's class 1.1, 1.2? So, instead of GoDaddy, there is a lot of problem with Big Rock domain. What is the question? Big Rock, see, if you are using other hosting providers, other domain name providers, it will not be this much easy. Maybe it will be cheap, but this will not be this much easy. I made this course so that even a non-technical person can do this. So other hosting providers, you need to take their support. Shall we configure alerts while budgeting on AWS? Yes, please go ahead. And there are, go to YouTube, search for budgeting AWS, and you don't need to configure alerts. If you give the mobile number, you will get alerts on your mobile, and again, that is chargeable. Okay, I don't keep any budgets. I keep if I choose $10 instance, I choose $100 as my budget, so that I will not my service will not get affected. Okay, you can do the same. So what's the solution? Can we switch to GoDaddy as I already have a domain name? Sir, I will not recommend to switch to GoDaddy. You can use a new domain name, or you can transfer the domain name, but again, that is a long process. It is it takes 7 days to transfer a domain name from Big Rock to GoDaddy. Again, if you have a lot of settings in Big Rock, it is impossible to recreate everything in GoDaddy. All your services will affect for 7 days. I will not suggest transferring. Being non-technical person, how can we remember this, sir? If you want to create another website, so this you have 15 days access for this. Everything is clear. If you want more than 15 days, what you will do? You don't even have to ask me, call me, anything. Go to my website, pay $4.99. You will get the core success link again. Do it whenever you want. Come to my website, pay $4.99 and get the success and do it. That is my recommendation. I keep this for 15 days because for one website, 15 days is too much time. Only 5 days is required. Everyone already have the website, so only 5 days is needed. I give you 15 days. Within 15 days, you can create any number of websites. I don't care. After 15 days, if you want, you come again and pay $4.99 again and get the access and do it. I don't care. I keep the 15 days limit so that I should not get hurt. Because if this links, if many people are using it, I will get real bill on AWS. So that is the reason I limit this. And you can you are free to download the videos and keep it on your computer. I don't care. I upload today's video in week 2. You download the video and keep it in your local system. I don't care. The fusionherbs.com, I'm not able now as I how to get the password again. Follow the video. 2.2. If you are not getting the password again, 2.2. Okay, save the password. Any more questions? Today's exercise is very, very easy. I kept it easy for a reason, so that everyone will have an opportunity to complete it. And I will tell you tomorrow what we are going to do is, LMF Workshop.live. Tomorrow is very, very important. Whatever I taught you till today, if you do a good, simple Google search in YouTube, there are 1,000 tutorials. What I'm going to teach you from tomorrow, only I can teach, because this is something I did for me, for my service. Everything here, this template came out from here. Okay, so only I can teach you better how to change this template, how to edit this template. Okay, so attend tomorrow's and the day after, 3rd day and 4th day session, which is very, very important. If you go and see the recording also, it will not be clear. Okay, attend 3rd day and 4th day. It is very, very important. So only I am going to teach you how to change this, how to edit the content, change the color, change the button color, include a video. These are all the things that we are going to do tomorrow. We are going to change it. So to change that, you need to have your website ready. You need to have this LMF theme installed and activated on your website ready. Okay. Request, please redo the SSL part again. I will not redo it. Sorry, sir. You can go ahead and watch the recording. I'll send the recording again. Yes, if you can just go to here, watch this 2.1 again. That's all. Okay, the Fusion Hubs. I think there is no more questions. If there is no more questions in 1 minute, I'll just end up the session and send you the recording. I'll stop the recording.